Hi foodies, this is Chef Pete. You know, it's pumpkin time, and here's the can of pumpkin. You can use whatever brand you like. I just happen to be using this particular brand. And this recipe today that I'm going to make is a pumpkin bread pudding. So it's pumpkin time. We need to make things with pumpkin, pumpkin pies, pumpkin strudel, pumpkin bread puddings, pumpkin this, pumpkin cookies. You know, just make something with pumpkin. It's good this time of year. So in our bowl today, I've got 6 eggs. I have 6 eggs in our bowl. I've got about a good cup of packed brown sugar, but if you like, you can split this between white sugar and brown. I like dark brown sugar in the bread pudding for everything. I like dark brown sugar. For those of you that watch frequently, you understand that I love brown sugar in everything, and I only use white sugar very sparingly. Okay, so I have 6 eggs, a can of this pumpkin, which is about 15 ounces, and I'm going to put in here with the pumpkin the 6 eggs, and I have the delightful, because you know I'm going to make like a custard, and we're going to use about 500 grams or about almost a pound of this. I'm using today Italian white bread. You could use brioche, you could use Jewish bread if you like. Use whatever you like. Stale bread is good, it works better. Okay, now what we're going to do is get some vanilla in here, and we're going to put about 2 teaspoons, and this is my vanilla that I make. 1, 2. I make vanilla with the beans here in our house, and what I do with this vanilla is that you can buy this kit on Amazon, and you buy the beans, put them in there, and fill it with what? Vodka, and you let it set and ferment for a couple of weeks, and you've got fresh vanilla, all that you possibly could need, and it works really well. So we've got some vanilla in there, and then here I've got a couple of cups of cream, or you could use half and half, and a cup of milk. Okay, so let's get the rest of our spices in here to go with our vanilla. And the last thing we'll do is add our milk and our cream. So we're going to go with about a teaspoon of our cinnamon, because it's kind of like making a pumpkin pie, but we're making a pumpkin bread pudding, right? Okay, and then we're going to add about a teaspoon of ginger. We need about a teaspoon of ginger. Okay, some cloves. Now cloves are really good, but they're strong, so we're going to put a 1/4 of a teaspoon in there of cloves. We have some cloves here, 1/4 of a teaspoon. And lastly, some nutmeg, okay? About a 1/4 of a teaspoon of the nutmeg in. Right in it goes. Okay, so now we've got, and some salt. We need to put a little salt, just a little bit of salt. Half a teaspoon, okay? Half a teaspoon of salt. And that helps to brighten the flavors and bring things out. Okay, so there we go. We've got our spices in. We've got our eggs in. We've got all of our sugar. And we've got our pumpkin in, 1 can. And then what we're going to do is take this, and we're going to add our milk, just like this. And we're going to just start mixing it up, so we get everything kind of mixed up in here. You can beat the eggs if you like. I don't beat them, I just break them. I break them in our custard, because we're going to take this custard and we're going to mix the bread in there, and then we're going to put it in an 11 by 17 baking dish and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes until we find the the bread is kind of browned on the top. We want to be. Okay, so let's just get this together, and let's get our cream in here. I'm using plant-based cream today. You can use regular whipping cream, or you can use regular half and half. I'm using plant-based. In the end, you can't tell the difference. And you cut some fat calories, and you cut some calories out of your dish here. There we go. So let's get this all mixed up really good, really good. The cream will give it an extra added deliciousness. It'll give it some deliciousness, because cream tends to be really good. And you can see it's kind of looking like a pumpkin pie now. Beautiful. Right, everybody? It kind of looks like a pumpkin pie, or when I'm making the pumpkin bread, you know. And we'll get this all in here. Let's get it all mixed up so it's mixed really well.
Nice color, yeah.
Yeah, isn't it nice, Ann? So what we're going to do is just take our bread and go, we've got it mixed, and we're going to take our bread and go right into this bowl, I think, with our bread, and get it so the bread starts to soak up all the goodness here, just like this. We get them right in there. And we're going to get our spatula. Where did he go? Here he is. And what we're going to do is just get this bread with our egg mixture and pumpkin mixture, get everything in here mixed up really well. And you know what makes a nice topping for this is you can use whipping cream, or you can use caramel sauce. You know, anything like that will work really, really well. And just let this go in here just like this.
Or Grand Marnier style.
Yeah, Grand Marnier. Or you can even put a splash of rum in here if you'd like, if you want to have a little rum in here. I'm not going to put any today, but I have in the past put rum. But you could do that. So here we have it nice. Now what's going to happen here is the bread's going to soak everything up. And all we've got to do now is take our pudding and come over to our dish. And I've sprayed our dish already. And what we're going to do is just go right in with our bread pudding. Just like this. Just like this. Right in. There we go. Get him right in there.
Boy, it really is soaking it up.
Yeah, it's going to soak it up. Right, Anthony? And then we'll get the rest of our goodness, our egg and our pumpkin and our milk and cream and everything in here just like this. And let's just make sure we're good like this. Okay. And we don't have to do anything now but put him in the oven. And we're going to bake this at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. And that should do the job. Okay, so here we go. There it is. And remember my little tip. I used 100% brown sugar. You can use 50-50 white and brown if you so choose. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven. And we're going to cook it off. And we'll show you how it comes out later on after he's cooked. So this is Peter Carpizzos wishing you the best holiday season. Make a pumpkin bread pudding. Give it a try. This is Pete out.